Let's say you got yourself a big old column of numbers and you think it would be cool to have it highlighted based on the value in the cell. Excel can do this for you automatically with conditional formatting. First, highlight your data, then click on the Home tab, and then click on the Conditional Formatting dropdown. From here we have some options. Highlight Cell Rules is going to highlight all the cells based on the rule that you select. So if we click Format Cells Greater Than, here we are going to put a number that we want formatted greater than, and here we are going to select what color you want to appear. Click OK, and we can see that Excel has formatted all the cells above the number we specified. Top and bottom rules are like what we just did, but Excel will highlight the top or bottom 10 values in your data, or it can look at above and below the average of all of your numbers. Data bars are kind of cool and easy. When selected, bigger values will have a bigger bar appear. Color scales are kind of the same concept, but when used, the cells will be highlighted on a gradient based on their value. Icon sets are the same thing as data bars, but instead of little bars appearing, you can have little symbols appear however you see fit. If you want to format any of these last conditional formatting options, click More Rules at the bottom, and you can define what you want to appear and when. Last thing, if you want to start fresh, go ahead and click Clear Rules from the entire spreadsheet, and you should be good to go. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe and give the video a like. If you're struggling in Excel on a certain topic, make sure to put it in the comments below and I'll make a video on it. Thanks again.